Guys, my room in Luxembourg is too cute. Like, I'm actually about to, it's so cute. Okay, so you walk in, there's a really nice, look at this. It's a really nice well-lit closet, and then here's what I am most excited about. The bathroom with a bathtub. I specifically asked the woman at the front, like, I was like, can I please have a room with a bathtub? Like, I really need one. Oh my gosh, I even have a bidet. This is just like so cute. I'm just so excited about the bathtub. This bathroom is gorgeous, but yeah, there's a bathtub. I'm so happy. As you guys know, I have a Parisian apartment, which does not have a bath, but yeah, let's finish our tour now. Okay, so you walk in, this is the bathroom, bathtub. I'm so excited about that. This looks like the little mini bar area, fully stocked. That's really cute. There's me. Okay, here's the bed, and then this like office area, and we're like right in downtown Luxembourg. Let's see if I have a view. I don't think I do. Nope, no view. Yay. But we're like walking distance to like every single part of Luxembourg, so that's good. So yeah, the person's supposed to be coming with my bags, and then I'm gonna go explore. They have a fitness club, they have a sauna. I'm gonna go to the gym, I'm gonna take a bath. Like, I am excited. I am excited. But yeah, that's about it. I'm trying to think of what else. I'm here till Tuesday. It's Sunday now, so I'm really gonna just chill hard and try to get as much work done as I can. So talk to you guys later. This is my little suite, guys. It's so cute. How the numbers like light up. The lighting is like horrible. I like Okay guys, I come back from like exploring, right? My bed is like this, and look at this. How cute! They put a little towel down and they gave me slippers. And they put a little chocolate next to my bed. This place is adorable. Bonjour tout le monde. So day one in Luxembourg was really good. The weather's actually kind of nice and sunny. I spent all day in the office though, so not very exciting. But oh my gosh, this hotel. I'm gonna try to film breakfast tomorrow because it is the most gorgeous foreign looking breakfast I've ever seen. The breakfast is like, not, you know how like in the US when they say like, oh yeah, breakfast is included, and you come down and it's some like, you know, cereal, like yogurt. No, it is not like that here. So I have to show you guys that tomorrow for breakfast. It's around like 5 o'clock now. I'm gonna go to the gym and work out because I have to work out like 2 to 3 times a week or else I go crazy, and then go sit in the sauna before I have dinner. So yeah, I will see you guys at the gym. I'm off to the gym. I'm so tired and I just want to go to sleep, but I have to work out. Good morning guys, last day in Luxembourg. I have meetings in the morning and then I'm going back to Paris this afternoon, so I'm gonna head over to breakfast so you guys can see like how awesome this looks. I have to send a few emails before I leave over the office. And I was like, I really want to take my pretzel with me. And they gave me this like cute box and they were like, yeah, just eat in your room. Like, they were so cute. But yeah, I need to send some emails really, really quick. Yeah, I'm working on my R, guys. I finally learned how to roll my R. The other weeks I'm really like pestant. So like I can say, so yeah, I can say a few words and roll my R. There's Remy. We're gonna go to Vapiano's for lunch, but we have all this stuff, equipment for work, so I can't carry it myself.
reminds me of DC all over again. This was me and Serendi's spot in college. Like, we were always at Vapiano. I miss you, Serendi. Come to DC. I mean, come to Paris and be with me, you and Raj, please.